All right, you can hear the HM1 running off to the side, and you can see I have the Enjomor out. I thought it would be nice to run them side by side and see first of all if the Enjomor wants to start today. And it's making a wheeze. Oh, there we go, almost. Up. And I'm having trouble getting a grip on the flywheel this morning because it's too cold out. All right. That was not part of the plan. So it must have been real flooded. Alright, too cold for the Enjomor this morning because I can't get a hold of it to give it a spin.